Hello friends and welcome to the spoken tutorial on loading data from files. In this tutorial, you will learn to read data from files which contain data in single column format or multiple columns separated by spaces or other delimiters. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 14.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3, IPython 5.1.0. You should know how to run basic Python commands on the IPython console. If not, for relevant Python tutorials, please visit this website. Let us first open the terminal by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously. Now type IPython 3 and press Enter. Let us initialize the Pylab package. Type %pylab and press Enter. Let us begin with reading the file primes.txt. This file contains a list of prime numbers listed in a column. Type cat space primes.txt. We can use cat command to fetch data from the file and display it on the terminal. Press Enter. We see the prime numbers are displayed on the terminal. Now we can use the load.txt command to store this list into the variable primes. So type primes equal to load.txt within parentheses within double quotes primes.txt and press Enter. Please make sure that you provide the correct path to the file primes.txt. The file in our case is present in the home folder. Primes is now a sequence of prime numbers that was listed in the file primes.txt. Now let us display the contents in the variable primes. So type print within parentheses primes and press Enter. We see the sequence printed. We observe that all numbers end with a period. This is because all these numbers are floats. Now type cat space pendulum.txt and press Enter. This file contains two columns. The first column contains the length of the pendulum. The second column contains the corresponding time period. Let us now read the data from the file into the variable pend using the load.txt command. So type pend equal to load.txt within parentheses within double quotes pendulum.txt and press Enter. Please note that the load.txt needs both the columns of the file to have equal number of rows. Now print the variable pend to see what it contains. Type print within parentheses pend and press Enter. Notice that the variable has two sequences containing two columns of the data file. Let us use an additional argument of the load.txt command to read the data into two separate sequences. So type L, T equal to load.txt within parentheses within double quotes pendulum.txt after double quotes comma unpack equal to true and press Enter. Now print the variables L and T to see what they contain. Type print within parentheses L and press Enter. Print within parentheses T and press Enter. Notice that L and T now contain the first and the second columns of the data from the pendulum.txt respectively. Unpack equal to true has made the two columns into two separate and simple sequences. Pause the video over here and try out the following exercise and resume the video. Read the data from the file pendulum_semicolon.txt. This file contains data in two columns. These columns are separated by semicolons. Use the IPython help to see how to do this. Let us look at the solution. Switch to the terminal. First, we will see the content of the file. So type cat space pendulum_semicolon.txt and press enter. We see the two columns separated by a semicolon. Now type L, T equal to load txt within parenthesis within double quotes pendulum_semicolon.txt. After double quotes, comma, unpack equal to true, comma, delimiter equal to within double quotes semicolon, and press enter. Now print within parenthesis L and press enter. Print within parenthesis T and press enter. This will display the contents inside the two variables L and T. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned to read the data from files using the load.txt command. The data can be in a single column format or multiple column format, separated by spaces or other delimiters. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. Load.txt can read data only from a file with one column. Is it true or false? Second, given a file data.txt with three columns of data separated by spaces, read it into three separate simple sequences. Given a file data.txt with three columns of data separated by a colon, read it into three separate simple sequences. Now let us look at the answers. The answer to the first question is false. The load.txt command can read data from files having single columns as well as multiple columns. The answer to the second question is to separate data into three columns, we use load.txt command as follows. X is equal to load.txt within parenthesis within double quotes data.txt after double quotes comma unpack equal to true. The answer to the third question is we read into three separate sequences by using an additional argument of delimiter in the load.txt command. So x equal to load.txt within parenthesis within double quotes data.txt unpack equal to true, comma, delimiter equal to within double quotes colon. Do you have any questions on this spoken tutorial? Please visit this site. Do you have any general or technical questions? Please visit the forum given in the link. The FOSSEE team coordinates coding of solved examples of popular books. We give honorarium and certificates for those who do this. For more details, please visit this site. The Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD, Government of India. This is Prathamesh Salunke from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.